Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can create a QR code to point to your GoDaddy domain. It's very simple to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So as you can see, we have our domain here from GoDaddy. If we want to create a QR code that points to that domain, what I like to use is the free QR code generator by Adobe Express. And I like using this QR code generator because you don't need an account to use it, and you also don't need to enter any billing information or anything like that. You can go ahead and click on where it says Create Now. And I'll have a link for this in the description, by the way, as well. Now we can go ahead and actually copy our domain name like so, and then enter it in the enter or paste URL input right here. Now we're going to need to make sure that we add the https:// before the domain name, and that's important because it needs to be a valid URL. And now we have the option to download it. We can also adjust the styles as well, so we can choose from these different styles like so. We can also adjust the color if we want, and we can also adjust the file format. So by default, it's going to be a PNG. If you want to save it as a JPEG, you can select JPEG, or you could save it as a SVG as well. You can also right click it and click Save Image As. You can also click Copy Image as well if you just want to copy the image real quick. But that is how you can create a QR code that points to your GoDaddy domain. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.